My name is Lewis Stewart and I'm from Hargraff Garden Services. So the reasons behind choosing Pellenc was build quality was far superior than some other manufacturers we used. For our industry we needed commercial stuff that's going to last. It's durable and it can, the batteries are good, you can got to consider other users aren't as careful with equipment. They've got to consider that they could be a bit harsher with it, and the Pellenc stuff can handle that sort of heat. It's good quality plastics. It's all fully waterproof. Doesn't miss a beat in any condition. Especially being in Scotland, we're using it in all sorts of conditions. Even in the winter time, the temperatures are right low. The battery doesn't have any issues compared to other manufacturers. Have had issues in the past with temperatures, which is quite good. It's just and then dealer support, that's a key thing as well. Really good, dealing with a dealer. The connection's been fantastic, and it was just one of those things you could tell. And I knew the product was just the one for us. It ticked all the boxes. It was just, and the battery life was the longest it was on the market as well, which is a huge selling point.